welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to play hide and go seek with my sister. And I'm going first, so let's hide them. Oh, and we're playing with the toys. These toys, we're playing with these toys. And I'm going to hide them, and I'm going first. Alright, I'm going to hide one in my sister's secret hideout. This is her secret hideout. Alright, let's take another one. How about in the bedroom? And we're going to play 4 rounds of these, okay? Oh, in my drawer. Right there. Right there, but I'm going to push it in more. Alright. Let's go. Let's do it. How about in the office? Like over there. Here's the dinosaur. Here. I'm going to hide the dinosaur in this shelf. Alright. So I'm going to... Alright. I'm going to go here with us. I'm going to hide one. No, let's hide one in the living room. Let's hide one in the living room. Alright. I'm going to hide one in the pantry. Right in the pantry. Alright. Let's do it. Alright, I'm going to hide myself. Where should I hide myself? Oh, under the bed. I'm just gonna go under the bed. I'm gonna duck that. I'm gonna duck it down because I don't want her to see. Sorry for the thing. Like when I dropped it because it died and then died. If I mess this up, oh wait, this is a bad spot because she can see me. This is such a bad spot. Where should I hide? Wait, can she not see me? She cannot see me. Oh my gosh, there's a good spot. I'm gonna hide one in the bathroom, in the curtains. Alright, I don't think she'll find me in here. Ready? And hit that hit that bell, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, our channel.
Brady, tell me which place are you in? Tell me which place.
Somewhere in the bathroom. You found me, she's right there. Like, there she is. Alright, but you still have to find the toys. Did you not find any toys?
No.
Alright, let's go find them. There's not one in here, okay? I think there's one in here. I see it.
Emmy's getting paid.
I see it.
How could I forget? Blah, blah, blah.
Goldie, there is one in the living room, somewhere in the kitchen. What?
Is it fancy?
Oh no! I said cut and she knows where it is now.
Where is it? Okay, now it's down here. Maybe it is.
Okay, it's somewhere in this shelf.
Okay. I don't think I can see it.
Alright, do you give up for this one?
Yeah. I mean, no, I don't give up. I don't give up. I don't give up.
You said you did.
Oh.
All right. So show them the toys you have. And I'll show them.
So I got this dinosaur and this seal.
The squishy. All right. The squishy steel. Okay.
Let's put them on the table.
All right. You have to find. I know the fidget spinner is.
Don't tell me. Just tell me what area it is.
Somewhere in the closet in Mom's room. I gotta run. She's so fast. All right.
How should I forget?
It was in her secret hideout in this. All right. Goldie,
What?
show them the fidget spinner. There's the fidget spinner.
Okay, is there another one? The bunny?
Yeah, there's one in here.
Tell me which area it is.
On the bed. Oh, under the. Oh no!
What? Maybe under my bed.
Under the towels. I just said it. Okay, do you give up for this one?
Wait, let me see the towel.
Dang it. Maybe she did find it. Wait, did I not hide it here? I know I hid it here. Look, guys, I cannot find it. I don't know where it went. Where'd it go? Full of all the towels. Is it not here? Is it not here? I knew it was here. All right, I guess we're not playing with that toy anymore. Wherever it is. All right. Okay, I think you found all of them. We'll find. I guess we're gonna have to find and get later after the video. All right. It's your turn to hide them, okay?
Okay.
They're on the table. They're on the table. All right. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna have to find it later after the video.
Count.
Okay. All right. Let me count in this room now. I'm changing it up. All right. Now we're counting. Oh, dang.
I'm gonna tell you something, maybe. The bathroom in the office closed because only the laundry room, the kitchen,
Hurry up, Goldie.
or the mom's room.
All right, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Comment below where you think it is. 7, 8. Wait, I was at 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right, let's go find them. This is the third round. No, she's not. All right, where is she? Look, do you think she's in the blanket? No, I don't think so. No, I'm in the closet. Oh, no, she said no. Wait a minute. No. Okay, here's one. Wow, it's not a secret hideout. Where is she? I think she's in the pantry. I have a feeling she's in the pantry. She is in the pantry. No. Goldie, what area are you in? Goldie, which area are you in?
You're right in it.
You right hid last round. Look, she's in the bathroom where I hid last round. All right, can you give me a clue where the toy is?
Yeah. You know I'm tougher than you. One.
I don't think there's any in here because
Okay, one's in Mom's bedroom.
I literally checked in
I
here.
mean, two in Mom's room.
Is somewhere in here? Wait, is it somewhere in this?
Got it.
I got it. Is there another one in here?
Yes.
Another one? Is it the fidget spinner?
No.
It's a dinosaur. Where's the fidget spinner?
It's somewhere in one of these.
In here? Where's? Oh, found it. It's in. So I found the fidget spinner, the dinosaur, and what is this?
Seal.
The pink seal. All right.
It's your turn to.
All right. This is the last round. I'm gonna make it harder because this is the last round.
Bathroom is open.
All right. So the bathroom's open again. All right. This is the last round. Okay.
I'm gonna jump over and hide him.
She's gonna jump rope. She said. No, honey. Right there. Bathroom. Hide on over here. And everybody shall be a scratch. Should I hide yourself? How to hide? The last time I'll hide over where the doors are. Alright. It's kind of like small. Alright, it's gonna fit. Ready? The living room somewhere. Oh, dang, she found me.
I found one of the toys.
Oh, you found. Can you help me get out? Can you hold the camera? Don't mess around with it here.
Okay. Wait, let's take a drink of our drinks. Well, this stands up.
Sorry, I was just stuck. Alright. You found one of them?
Mm-hmm.
2 more to go.
Okay. Oh, wait, I'm gonna take an ice too.
There's one somewhere in the laundry room.
Wait, guys, over.
She found this fidget spinner.
What did you say?
Alright. Somewhere is in the laundry room.
Oh, I know this one. Don't give me any clues.
One's in the bathroom. Oh wait, I hid one in there. There's one
And I'm
in
opening
here.
I'm opening the...
Yeah, but this is the last round. So you could close that if you want. I'm just doing 4 rounds. All right. There's somewhere, it's somewhere in my Hot Wheels garage. Behind or in it. So let me move this box. Can you get it?
Yeah, I can read it.
All right.
I know how to get it. Like this.
The video's almost gonna end. All right. Let's show them. Here's the dinosaur. Here's the fidget spinner.
Oh, I lost the pink seal.
No.
Yeah.
I found it
No.
behind your back.
No, Brady, it's just a bead. I don't want to show you that.
I saw it, Goldie. All right. Can you just show them real quick?
No, can I?
All right, you can show them. The pink seal. Oh, here it is. All right. Thank you, everyone, so much for watching. Bye.